Hey, welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we are going to walk through how to make coffee using the Aeropress method. So to get started, we are going to take Copa Coffee's Lake Kivu blend, a really well-balanced light roast with deep flavors, very complex but very delicious. We're going to weigh out about 16 grams of coffee here. And then from there, we're going to take that 16 grams and we're going to go ahead and grind it. And I'm typically going to use a finer grind setting for Aeropress than I would say a Pourover, but not nearly as fine as something as espresso. This finer ground gives you the opportunity to kind of extract more of those deep, complex flavors, especially with something like a light roast. Then we're going to go ahead and heat our water up to about 203 degrees Fahrenheit. We found this is kind of the optimal temperature to get the best extraction out of your brew. And then we're going to throw our Aeropress together. So you saw I put the paper filter there in the chamber, put the filter on, pull the plunger out. We're going to go ahead and set our Aeropress on top of our mug. We're then going to add our 16 grams of ground coffee, followed by 230 grams of our heated water. Once that water is in the chamber, we're going to go ahead and take our stir stick. If you have one, great. If not, maybe a swirl. But we recommend using a stir stick, stirring about 2 or 3 times, letting it steep for about a minute and a half. And at that minute and 20-second mark, go ahead and give it one more stir. Once you're ready to pour out your brew, go ahead and pull it off the scale. We definitely don't want to be maxing out our scale here. Then we're going to take our plunger, apply ample pressure, but not too much, and we're going to go ahead and pour our coffee into our mug. This should take you about 30 to 45 seconds. Once you're done, go ahead and let the Aeropress cool off. The grounds will be boiling hot. Then take either your compost bin or into your garbage, pop that puck of coffee out of your Aeropress, give it a wash, and you are good to use it again. And your Aeropress coffee is good to enjoy. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We hope you liked the video. Happy brewing!